everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at the step-by-step guide on how to set tab stops in Microsoft Word. Whether you're a student working on an assignment, a professional formatting a report, or someone who simply wants to make their documents look neat and organized, understanding how to use tab stops can make a huge difference. So why are tab stops important? They allow you to align your text precisely where you want it, making your documents look clean and professional. Instead of hitting the space bar multiple times and hoping everything lines up, tab stops give you precise control over text alignment. This is useful for creating consistent layouts in resumes, table of contents, price list, and more. But before we begin, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. So let's get started. The first thing is to launch your Microsoft Word. Once the Microsoft Word is open, you can either create a new document by clicking on the blank document, or you open an existing document from here or from here. To work with tab stops effectively, you need to have the ruler visible. This is because the ruler allows you to see where your tab stops are set and make adjustments easily. To enable the ruler, go to the View tab. In the View tab section, look for the Show Group. This is a Show Group. You will see a checkbox labeled Ruler. Make sure this box is checked. If it's not, click the checkbox like so. So the horizontal and the vertical rulers are now visible. If you're working on an existing document, select the paragraph or paragraphs where you want to set the tab stops. In Microsoft Word, there are several types of tab stops, each serving a unique purpose for text alignment. So let's look at them one after the other. First one is left tab stop. So to set the tab stop, on the tab selector here, when you open Microsoft Word for the first time, by default, the tab selector is set at left tab. On your ruler, click on the position where you want the tab stop. So I want the tab stop to be at 1 inch. So I'll just click on the 1 inch. The left tab now is set on the ruler. Next is to press the tab key on your keyboard. So once you press the tab key, the cursor moves to the tab stop position you set and it will be aligned at the tab stop position. And the text you type starts from that position and extends to the right. So now you can see that the text are aligned to the left of the tab stop. The text is centered around the tab stop position. So when you type, the text spreads out evenly to the left and right of the tab stop. So to set that, go back to the tab selector, click on it once. Now click on the position where you want the center tab stop. I'll go ahead and click on 3 inches. Press the tab key, then you start typing. So the center tab stop is great for headings or titles that you want to be centered. For instance, this is the right tab marker. On the right tab, text is being aligned to the right. When you type, the text starts from that point and extends to the left. For example, to set that, go back to the tab selector, click on it once. The right tab will be set. The next thing is to go to your ruler where you want the tab stop to be positioned. Click on it. Right tab stop is ideal for aligning numbers, dates, or times on the right edge. For example, when you want to type the address of the letter, you can see at the right hand side, you will see that the address is being aligned to the right. The next one is the decimal tab. This is the marker for decimal tab. Text before the decimal point extends to the left and text after the decimal point extends to the right. It ensures that decimal points line up vertically regardless of the number of digits. So to set that, again, go back to the tab selector, click on it once. Go back to the ruler and set the position where you want the decimal tab stop. So I'll set the decimal tab stop at 3 inches. I'll go ahead and tap the tab key. So I'll start typing the digits I want. So just look at what I'm typing and see how the decimal tab works. Now you will see that when I was typing, the text before the decimal point extends to the left and the text after the decimal point extends to the right. That is the function of the decimal tab. The decimal tab is perfect for financial documents or price lists where decimal alignment is crucial. The bar tab stop doesn't align text. Instead, it inserts a vertical line at the tab stop position. So this bar tab stop is useful for creating forms or separating columns of data. To set the bar tab, on the tab selector, click on the tab selector until the bar tab is selected. After selecting the bar tab stop, you go back to your ruler, click on the position where you want the bar tab stop. I'll click on 3 inches. Now you can see the vertical line at the tab stop position. I want to have a price list to be in columns. After selecting the bar tab stop and then setting it on the ruler, the next thing is to set left and right alignment for the elements. So I'll just go ahead and click on this icon until I get the left tab selected. So I'll go ahead and click on 1.5 inch and click on 4 inches. So another thing you can do on this tab stop, you can adjust a tab stop. You can also remove a tab stop. Adjusting the tab stop means you are not pleased with the position of the tab stop. All you need to do is make sure your cursor is at the front of the paragraph you want to adjust the position. Go to the ruler, click on the tab stop you want to adjust and drag it along the ruler to a new position of your choice. If you want to do it for more than one paragraph, for instance, these 3 paragraphs, you highlight the 3 paragraphs, then drag the left tab stop along the ruler to a new position of your choice. To remove a tab stop from your paragraph, click on the paragraph where you want to remove the tab stop. On the ruler, drag the symbol of the ruler like so. Now you can see that this paragraph has returned back to the normal position it was before the tab stop. You can do that for multiple paragraphs. For instance, you want to do that for this 3 paragraph. You highlight all the paragraph you want to remove the tab stop from. Go to the ruler, click on the tab stop symbol and drag it off the ruler like so. So another way to set tab stop is making use of the paragraph group section. So I'll go ahead and highlight the whole text. Go to the paragraph section, click on the small arrow to open dialog box. Click on tabs. So here you can manually set the position and alignment of tab stop you want. And here you can set multiple tab stops. This particular text, I want left tab stop, center, and the right tab stop. So I'll go ahead and type the position where I want the tab stop on this tab position field. For the left alignment, I want the tab stop to be at 2 inches. So I'll go ahead and type 2 inches. Next is to choose the alignment. The 2 inches will be for the left alignment. So I'll click on set. Next is to set the center tab stop position. So I'll go ahead and type 3 and click on center alignment, then click set. Lastly, I will enter the tab stop position for right tab. So I'll click on the right alignment, then click set. Once I'm done with the tab stop position and the alignment I want, I can now click on OK. You can see that the text we added tab stop to is now better and neater than the first one that doesn't have tab stop. So here I can just adjust this right tab stop because it's too close to the center tab stop. So I'll just go ahead and highlight everything. So I'll just drag it back a little like so. Tab leaders are characters such as dots, dashes, or lines that fill the space between tab stop in a document. Tab leaders are particularly useful in creating documents like table of contents, price list, and forms. So for this table of contents now, we just go ahead and highlight everything on the table of contents, go back to the paragraph group, click on the dialog box, click tabs. For this table of contents, I want just left alignment and right alignment. So I'll just go ahead and type the position for the left tab alignment. At the leader section, there are 4 options to choose from. The first one is none. It means there is no leader. Option 2 means the text will be preceded with dotted leader. Option 3 means the text will be preceded with dashes. And last one means the text will be preceded with solid line. After setting the tab stop position for the left alignment, I'll just go ahead and select the type of leader I want. So click on this option 2, click on set. So I will enter the tab position for the right alignment. So for the right alignment, I don't need a leader, so I will leave it at none and click set. Once I'm done with this, I'll click on OK to apply them to my selected text. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. See you in the next video.